Welcome back to another video.
What was that? Ew. Rose on crack.
I don't know why did I sound like that.
Rose on crack.
My voice needs to be cleared out. Yep, it's okay. I know.
Bye guys.
I'm scared, so I'm gonna get up here. Yo!
So, welcome back to another video of us in Monkey Blocks, where we have new people with us. Guys, come over here. Come over here. Say who you are and say your house number. I'm just kidding. Just say who you are.
Hi, so I am Lily VR.
Hi, I'm Drake, and I was just at a...
Whoa! So my last Monkey Blocks video didn't do really good, so we're trying it again, and we have these two people. I just
tell me what's your YouTube channel also.
Oh wait, I'm gonna tell you. Give me a second, all right? So let's go to the video.
Okay.
All right. So they're gonna build something. I'm gonna build the I forgot my social studies teacher teached us about Native Americans. So I'm gonna make something that represents the Native Americans. I think Native Americans was the start of what's it called? Of slavery. Yeah. Americans, yeah. People think that Christopher Columbus was the first one to sail on America. He was actually
Where's the boost thing?
He was actually
Where's the boost thing?
not the first one.
The circle ones?
Bro,
Oh,
stop trying to tag me. This is not the
He's
end.
actually
This is
a
not the
fakey.
tag people right now.
No,
blue
bro, where's
things?
the boost things that boost you? The boost thing.
Oh
The
no.
circle ones.
Yeah, Christopher Columbus was not the first person to go on America. The Native Americans were. So. Let's just
Bruh.
put this.
Bro, you're in my way.
No, you were.
Hey, no arguing, bruh. No arguing. Hey, what is that? What is that light? What's that light? There's like a light here. It looks like there's a secret tunnel. Secret tunnel through the mountains. Secret, 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 secret tunnel. Let me cut the video. So, let's put.
Why? Why?
I don't know. So yeah. How am I getting? So, where are those? Wait, what's that? What's that? Whoops! I gotta stop doing that. Native Americans actually made like log house that a whole family could live in. Like sisters, brothers, grandfathers. People could, like every family member could go in it. And they used wood and they used what's it called? Yep. And they did what was it called? A maze. A maze made out of wood. Not the greatest maze ever, but a maze. So when the people came to attack them, they have to go past the maze. So they have time so they could run away. So woo.
Bro, stop trying to destroy my build.
Yeah, I don't know what your build is, but I'm gonna try it out. I'm not good at this. Oh my. Yeah, I could just do this. Oh my gosh, I almost made it.
I'm done.
What's your build? My guy, what is your build?
I don't know. I don't.
Why is no one looking at mine? That's rude.
Wait, yours? Yours is just a trampoline. It looks like a trampoline.
It's fun.
Bro,
And why
Top
you guys are
hats?
being so mean?
we're not being mean.
What?
Yours looks like a circus.
Hello again.
Ah!
You just got me.
Yes.
You kind of look so.
Like a baby when you're like small.
Oh, jalapeno.
Yo, I just did that so high. Okay. Now please don't let.
Mm.
Hold up, Blimmy.
Here's my build.
Can you make?
Time for jumping. Gorilla jumping. Where are they? There they are. Going so fast. I can't catch up.
Yep.
Alright, this
Let
guy's
me make it
headset.
even bigger.
This guy's headset is about to die. So say your
Yeah, so I
final
wanna
goodbyes.
Yeah, I wanna juke somebody. Why? Oh wait, I wasn't.
Alright, tag me. So you try to juke me. You try. Tag me.
Nothing.
Just put this here. That would work.
Oh crap.
I'm sorry, bro.
No.
No. Star Wars scene. No.
I
The
just
st-
took off one piece
Wait,
of the trampoline.
the Star Wars scene. No.
No.
Anakin, you betrayed me. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that.
What the frick
Yes,
do
I
you mean
did.
by that?
I'm betraying you.
Anakin, you were my brother.
Oh man.
Oh, I'm stuck. Nuh-uh.
My brother.
Anakin, you were
Yo,
a
I
brother
just
to
took
me.
off one piece of the thing.
Anakin, how could you? You were my brother.
I know, but now
He was.
I shall get the glories from
He
my
was your
father.
brother?
Yeah.
Like an actual brother to you?
No, it's just a Star Wars scene.
You're a loser, my brother.
Is this a maze or something?
What is that?
Yes.
It looks so cool.
What? This looks so amazing, bro.
Bro, it could have taken like 500 hours to build this. What? Whoa. Bro, whoever built this is a master.
Yo, come inside, come inside.
Whoever built this has no life, actually.
Guys, come inside, come inside. Come inside, there's
The,
gold.
the lake is
Here, look.
frozen. Yeah, that's the hidden cosmetic. Knock, knock.
Huh?
No, it just locked me in here. What's this over here?
Yep. Yeah, what is this?
Ow!
Ow!
Hit me!
Ow!
Keeps on hitting us.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Wait, you could actually drift. You could actually drift with this. Actually, wait. Skirt. Skirt.
You can go on the ride. With the ride here.
Dun, 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 skirt. Uh-oh. Round and round, round and round, round. Ow. I just came back to my camera.
Yo, what is this?
What? What's what? This?
There's like a where you
Oh, that hurt my ears. Wait, look at those castles.
Castle? The castle?
What? What? Whoa, they have gold. Money, money,
Gold
green,
inside?
green money. I just need. So we're gonna wrap up the video here. See you guys in the next video.
My bad.
What is your last words?
My last word is like and subscribe before he comes to your house or something.
I will come to your house if you don't like and subscribe.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Come here.
Well, see y'all later.
What?
If that is enough to say,